Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows 7 boot time. First you go down to your start menu, you type in msconfig, msconfig, then you hit msconfig on the top, you go to your boot tab, you check this box here, no GUI boot. That means you won't see the Windows 7 screen come up. Then you go over to the right hand side and timeout, you put a number between 3 and 99. I'll put number 3. Then you go to advanced options. Every computer has a different number of processors. Mine has 2, so I'll check this number of processors and I'll put 2 in the drop down. Then you go to maximum memory and check the box, and then you go to OK, and on the next screen you hit apply and OK, and it's going to ask you to restart your computer. And that's all you have to do to speed up Windows 7, to start faster, and it will also shut down faster. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. This is Locascio with MSL Computer Service. Make sure you like the video and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I come out with videos about once every week. Thanks for watching.